The park was alive with the golden hues of fall, leaves crunched underfoot, a symphony of autumn. Liam, lost in thought, sat on a bench, his loyal dog Max by his side. Across the path, beneath a vibrant maple tree, sat Amelia, sketching in her notebook. Amelia, drawn to Max's playful energy, approached Liam. Their eyes met, a spark of connection igniting between them. Liam, usually shy, found himself smiling. They talked for hours that day, their words painting dreams on the canvas of their hearts. As weeks turned into months, their bond deepened. They shared laughter, dreams, and quiet moments of understanding. Liam, inspired by Amelia's vibrant spirit, found joy he had long forgotten. Amelia, touched by Liam's kind heart, discovered a love both profound and true. A shadow fell upon their happiness. Liam received a diagnosis that shook him to his core. He was sick, the future uncertain. Fear threatened to consume him, pushing him towards despair. Amelia, however, refused to let fear win. She stood by Liam, her love a beacon in the darkness. She accompanied him to appointments, her hand a constant source of strength in his. Liam, witnessing Amelia's unwavering devotion, found courage he never knew he possessed. He fought his illness with everything he had, fueled by the love that bound them together. Their love story, once a joyful melody, now echoed with resilience and hope. Through countless treatments and moments of uncertainty, their love only deepened. Amelia's laughter filled hospital rooms, chasing away the sterile silence. Liam's gentle touch reminded Amelia of the preciousness of each stolen moment. One day, a miracle. Liam's doctor shared news that brought tears of relief and joy. The treatment worked. Liam was going to be okay. Their love had weathered the storm. It had been tested and refined, emerging stronger and more brilliant than ever before. The experience, though harrowing, had revealed the depth of their bond, proving that love could indeed conquer all.
You've been a good friend.
Liam, now healthy and filled with gratitude, looked at Amelia with eyes overflowing with love. He got down on one knee, the autumn sunlight painting the scene in a warm glow. "Amelia," he whispered, his voice thick with emotion, "will you marry me?" Amelia, tears streaming down her face, whispered back a resounding yes. Their love story, born on a crisp autumn day, had blossomed into an enduring testament to the power of the human heart. They had faced the unimaginable, hand in hand, their love their guiding light. And as they walked off into the sunset, they knew that their love story, a love story to remember, would last a lifetime.